Well, here we have the Nerf rival Fate, and we're going to do a K25 spring mod on it. First, we'll test the stock performance. So it's like mid 80s. So, as you pull this guy apart, you can see that there's no screw in here. You've just got a solid piece of plastic running through this entire part here. And this is a big pain to get apart. So it seems to me that the easiest way to get around this plunger head issue, since we're using an open-ended chunk of K25, is we need 2 pairs of pliers. And I'm going to just open up the spring on this end. Enough so that we can, back on screen here. So we can just work the spring off here. And we'll do the reverse with the K25. Just gonna have to guide it a little bit. As it comes back around, you might want to give it a push so it doesn't gouge the plunger rod. There you go, K25 on. Then we'll just go back to the reassembly. So, and you want this little nubbin pointing down, correlating with the rounded part here on the bottom. All right, let's see how she does. .128.3, 130.4, 123.6, 121, 127.7. Not too shabby. All right, if you want a chunk of K25 that's pre-cut for this blaster with ground down ends, you can check out the link in the description for my Etsy and eBay shops. You can also, if you don't want to do this yourself, do the modding yourself, you can get the blaster pre-modded by me just at my Etsy shop, though. Link down in the description. Thanks for watching.